Well, it's changing cutting edge day to day. Had to go level out a fence line, so moldboard's all filled with dirt here, but got it scraped off the best I could. I'm going to the bit boards here. Gonna take and put these on for the spring. And I'll have quite a few videos on how to use these and show you guys why I like them so much. I got the large Kermantle bit here. So just swapping these out, got the old carbides off here. Got them laying over in the corner. And these here, they're about 3 years old. You can see they're getting chipped up pretty bad, starting to wear, so it's definitely time to get them off. I'll have these bits on until probably sometime in June here, and then we'll pop them off, and then I'll put some new carbides on. But I'll get some more video of us swapping them out here. How we doing, guys? Got my rotating carbide bit boards on here. I'm with Jack from Equipment Blades. He's my dealer here in T. And he was just explaining to me, I got these bit boards, and these here, I'll let him, these got the washer on top of the bit that allows it, keeps material out of there, and then they spin more freely. And then I'll let him explain the, this here's just got the hard facing, and then this one here's got the carbide.
Yeah, you gotta make sure to get the light in there. But yeah, there's a couple different style boards, I guess 3 different. There's a plain board with no facing on it at all. And then there's the hard face weld. It's a hardened wire weld that they manually put on the face of the board, helps from premature wear. And then this one over here, if you can tell, there's shards of carbide mixed in with the weld. And that carbide really helps extend the wear life of the face of that bit board. So over time, it's just a little bit more of an investment, but it definitely holds up the boards for a long time. It's kind of the same carbide facing as these double carbides that Mark has been running. Once you put carbide into something, it just lasts quite a bit longer.
Yep. Yeah, you're getting a lot more life out of them, and sure, it's an expensive setup to get into, but you're looking at, 4 to 5 years before you're probably even thinking about replacing, bits. If you run them year round, obviously you're probably going to get less time than that, but for me, I generally try to run them, in the springtime till that June time frame. And then I'll pop them off, once we go into our dry season, and then I'll go back to my double carbides. So a little bit of work that way, but that seems to what works best for me. But with that, I'll get some good action shots of these things in action this afternoon here when I'm out blading. Well, how's everyone doing? Well, we're just starting to pull in the edges that I run my retriever disc on here. Got all dried out nice, and everything's breaking up. Got these Stinger bits on from Equipment Blades here, and they really work nice for pulling in this kind of stuff here. Very happy with them. Still rotating very nice, all spinning freely here. Everything's working all good. What I really like about these Stinger bits for this kind of work is you can take and mix all your material in so much better versus just having a regular cutting edge on there. That kind of breaks the stuff down a lot faster, in my opinion. So, but with that, I'll set the camera up here and get some action shots of these edges and the kind of job they do. show you guys what kind of job these stinger bits do when you're pulling this disc material in. So you come down here to the road surface, you see how it gives it that nice textured blend, and then it kind of incorporates everything together. This is a very nice job. I really like it. It really mixes the gravel nice. It kind of chews up all the grass and then mixes it together. I'll show you guys kind of how I got my machine set up here quick. So when I take and pull it in for the first time, these stinger bits, it's pretty important that you run it at like a 45-degree angle. You just want them tips of the carbide bits so that they can rotate in the collar. So, same way I would set up normally, except I run a lot more articulated because I need the angle on the moldboard to get it across center line. So I got my right front tire here on the center line. Going down the road. Got the maintenance rimmer behind me here in the center, and then I'll blade that across. And I'll actually put it about right in here where I just kicked the spot there. I'll actually put that ring right in here. There's a little better definition. And then I'll let this sit for another week or so. And then I will pull it in again. Pull that side in and incorporate everything together, getting back to my 4% slope. So you can see here, my bits, the tips are just running right on the tip of the carbide bit here. You can see that. And then I got a nice angle on the moldboard that everything's coming across nice. Kind of cleaning up that shoulder edge here. Kind of incorporating everything together. Really works out nice. But I'll try to get a few more video clips here, and I'll show you guys what my finished product looks like. Well, hey guys, just gonna finish up this video here. Wanted to show you guys what the road looks like after I get it all pulled in. Right now I'm just pulling one side off, and then I'm blading it up against the disc of material on the other side here. So I got my maintenance wheel butted up against this stuff that I disced over here. You can see the road's got that nice textured look all the way across it. Got my crown built up nice and all the way across the road here. It just gives these stinger bits do a great job of fluffing everything up and really incorporating material. I really like them. So, but with that, thank everybody for watching. And if you guys want to get into this stinger bit system, I got mine from Equipment Blades, my local dealer. Give them a call. I'll take and put their link for their website in the description. And if you guys take and call them, make sure to tell them that I sent you. And like everybody to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.